Have you ever thought about starting your own freelancing career? It's more than just a job. It's the embodiment of freedom and flexibility, the epitome of turning your passions into profit. Imagine a life where the 9-to-5 grind doesn't exist. Instead, you're in the driver's seat, steering your career towards exciting opportunities. You're not confined to a cubicle, but rather the world becomes your office. Imagine your life with the power to choose your work, your clients, and your schedule. The first step in starting a freelancing career is identifying your marketable skills. It's about pinpointing what you're good at, and even more importantly, what you love doing. This is where your journey begins. It's crucial to know your strengths and to recognize how they can add value to others. Let's consider some popular freelancing fields. There's writing, where your words can paint vivid pictures, tell compelling stories, or even sell products. Then there's graphic design, where your creativity can bring brands to life. Programming is another big one, where your codes can create innovative applications and solve complex problems. And let's not forget digital marketing, where you strategize to put businesses on the map. But remember, these are just examples. The freelancing world is vast and diverse, and there's a place for every skill. So take a moment. Reflect on what you bring to the table, because once you've identified your skill set, it's time to put it to work. A strong portfolio is your freelancing calling card. It's the tangible proof of your abilities, the visual testament to your skills. A well-curated portfolio can attract potential clients like a magnet, showing them what you're capable of and why they should choose you over others. But how do you build such a portfolio, especially when you're just starting out? It's simpler than you might think. Start by volunteering your skills for causes you care about. Not only will you gain experience, but you'll also create work you can proudly display. Alternatively, consider personal projects. They allow you to showcase your creativity and passion, demonstrating what you can do when given free rein. Small paid gigs too can help. They may not pay much at first, but they provide real-world experience and pieces for your portfolio. Remember, your portfolio is your visual CV, your showcase, your pitch. It's your chance to shine. With a compelling portfolio, you're ready to step into the freelancing marketplace. The next step in your freelancing journey is finding clients. This is where your dreams start to take shape and your skills find their market. So, how do you go about it? There are several avenues to explore. First off, freelancing platforms. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer are virtual marketplaces where skills meet needs. They're like the bustling bazaars of the digital world, full of opportunities. Then, there's networking. This method is as old as trade itself, but it's taken on a new form in the digital age. Join online communities, forums, and social media groups related to your field. Engage in conversations, offer advice, share your work. But remember, networking isn't about selling, it's about building relationships. And finally, direct outreach. This method requires a bit of courage and a lot of professionalism. It involves identifying potential clients and reaching out to them with a well-crafted proposal. This can be a bit daunting, especially when you're just starting out, but it can also be highly rewarding. No matter which method you choose, the key is clear communication. Be professional, be courteous, and be clear about what you can offer. Remember, you're not just selling a service, you're selling a solution to a problem. Securing your first client is a milestone in your freelancing journey. It's the moment when you move from dreaming to doing, and it's a moment worth celebrating. Setting your rates is a crucial part of your freelancing career. This isn't a quick decision, but a strategic one, influenced by various factors. Your skill level and experience, for instance, should be reflected in your pricing. You should also consider industry standards, understanding what others in your field charge. Furthermore, don't forget your cost of living. Your rates need to sustain you. This isn't about charging what you think you're worth, but understanding the value you bring to a project. Remember, your rates reflect the value of your work. The final step in starting a freelancing career is taking the leap. It's about embracing change, stepping outside your comfort zone, and trusting your abilities. Every successful freelancer has been exactly where you are right now, teetering on the edge of the unknown. They too had doubts, fears, and uncertainties, yet they took the plunge, and so can you. Remember, every journey starts with a single step. So why not take that first step towards your freelancing career today?